Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back to share with you the Mega Make and Take extravaganza that I went to at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that they had here last week at Mesa, Arizona. And so if you've never been, it's just an evening of projects. Like every half hour there's a new project that you're making, and it's like from 6 to 10:30, something like that. You do a lot of projects. I don't know, when we get into it, it'll probably tell us the exact times and things like that. So some of them I've done most of the projects. There are some that I didn't get to yet. I just ran out of time. Actually, it was hard for me to focus this night. I was very much thinking about another event that I'm participating in. So, yeah. But, okay, let's dive into it. So first off, we got, so I do buy 2 tickets to the event because my daughter comes and goes the whole weekend because she works, and she's not a crafter, but she just likes to hang out and act like she is. No. But she'll make 1 or 2 projects. She likes the make and takes. But she, yeah, comes and goes wherever. So I get 2 tickets. So that's why I have doubles of things. But the first one is, this was one of our gifts. I think it was for the make and take as a gift, or maybe it was for the all weekender. When we check in for Mega Make and Take, we check into our spots and we don't leave them till Saturday night when the crop is over for the weekend. So that's one thing nice. We do pay extra to get reserved seats so we can stay next to each other, and we don't have to lug our stuff back and forth. It's nice to be able to have somewhere to go and sit when you're, you know, not shopping. I guess you would go home, but anyway. It is nice just to be inspired by the other crafters, most of them local. There are people who come in from out of state, which is cool. I want to go to an event outside of my state one of these times. But anyway, yeah, so these are cool. They look like nice journaling pens. They are by Tombow, and a nice rainbow of color. So thank you, Tombow. Okay, so I think most of the Mega Make and Takes are the same throughout the country. They do have these events in other places of the country. I want to say there are like 13 of them, maybe. I don't know. It's on their website. That might be a lot. But yeah, so most of them I think have the same make and takes, but maybe not. So this is what we have here in Mesa. So like I said, I did have two tickets, so I have 2 books. So our first project that we made was by the ton. Oh, so it started at 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock is the last class, so 6 hours. And there's a break. There's a break for dinner. So this is the ton, and we made some bookmarks. They gave us the bookmark and then some stencils so we could color. And if you see, there's like different tone from the stenciling. So I didn't assemble my bookmark, but I just did the coloring. So I'll assemble it later. But yeah, so that was the first project. Our second project was by Tesler Crafts. Oh, I did buy some stuff from the ton. I guess I'll do my shopping video in another, I'll do my haul video in another video. But from Tesler, I did get some things from Tesler as well. but this is a lever card kit that they sell, I'm assuming. It probably has it does have the directions here on how to assemble it. This is how mine turned out. Oh, and I didn't get a chance to color in this embossed area. They ink blended, I believe, in the flowers and maybe the leaves, but that's how mine's turned out. So cute. So we got that project, and then our next project was by Brass and Bliss, who formerly is Rubbernecker, and we got a little stamp set from them that says happy birthday. But this is the card that we made. It says we might need to call the fire department to help with all these candles. And then you open that up, and then look at how cute the little bear with all the candles. And that was our card we made for that project. Then the next project was from Crazy Creations, and it was a shaker, a shaker thank you card. And they gave you the sequins, the glitter paper, the silhouettes that they are known for, and the background paper to assemble your card. But yeah, that's a fun little card there. And then this is the leftover silhouette stickers you have that you can still play with. They do give you an example here. If you can see, by using these flowers you could make a bookmark. So that is that. I still have some sequins left. And they give you these cards in your kit. If you complete them and take them up to their booth on the showroom floor, you'll get a free outline sticker, and this is the free outline sticker I chose. I actually have quite a few of these that I just need to start using. I seem to be just collecting these and not actually using them. I need to get to using them. So that was that project. Then the next one was by Scrappy Boy Stamps. And I did some shopping at his booth as well. He, you know, produces things that are right up my alley. So this was the card we made. It said Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, and it has Cinderella and the mice and the carriage. And we layered it up a little, so yeah, cute, right? And then the inside you can put a gift card. It's a gift card holder. So that was pretty cool for that project. And then it says, may all your birthday wishes come true. And they're on a wobbler. We received a wobbler for them to dance, so that's a cute one, right? Oh, I lost my girl. Unless she was extra. She might be extra. But yeah, so that's how that card turned out. Beautiful. I don't want to leave her out because she might get lost. Let me just take the time to put her back, please. Okay. Then the next project. Oh, the next project was by Listic. And we made these little easel cards. Well, not little. The one thing, I wish my paper match the medallion better. I don't know. It's a cool concept. Oh, you're supposed to put something down here as well. So that I didn't finish that part, but yeah, so it's an easel card. But the next one I make, I might use paper that matches the medallion a little better. But yeah, the Swarovski crystals, they are known for those. So that was the next project. And then the next one was by Spellbinders, and we made this card here. I think they gave us these 3D foam squares. I like these. I ended up buying a whole bunch of these and splitting it with two of my girlfriends. But this is my card. That's the card we made. Fresh picked daffodils. Nothing, you know, overwhelming. I didn't put this one together. This is schoolhouse wood decor. I just didn't like the paper they gave us. I don't know. So I didn't do that project. This one, oh, and that one was by Scrap That. The next project was by KNC Essentials. I layered the card base like the instructions said, but I'm gonna use different ephemera because, hold on, let me get this out. They printed this, I guess, and the pigment doesn't even match up. The pigment, so yeah, I didn't want to finish putting it together. I'm just gonna find some other ephemera that will match these colors, and then I can use this ephemera on something else that I can find some paper that matches that color. Like, it's just the print is different, right? You can see that, huh? But anyway, yeah, so that's what happened with that. I did the layering, but I didn't want to use the embellishments. Next project was by Crafty Moroi, and this is the first time she's been at our show. So she must be a new vendor. But we made this cute shaker tag. Let's see, where is it? Cute shaker tag. So I have some more shaker mix and then another butterfly and a sentiment still left. But here's the tag that I did make. Cute, y'all. So she supplied the tag and the shaker pieces and the ephemera to use. She also supplied this paper collection, and I believe they had dies that will cut this out. It's probably on her website too, so I'll have to go take a look. But all of these images you can use. And then so I think there were two choices, so you either got this one or this wreath, and you know, because I had 2 tickets, I got one of each. So yeah, I know there was definitely a wreath, a die for this one here. And then the next was by Pear Blossom Press, and I got some stuff from them too, because so cute. And it's a camera. I hope you can see that. I'm sure you can, but yeah. And it lights up. How fun. So yeah, that was by Pear Blossom Press. And then I didn't do the last project either, and this was by Keep It Simple, and so it's called Freshly Brewed. So I might put these ones that I didn't finish in a later video. I'll put them together maybe. Yeah, so that was our mega make and take. That was all the projects we had. Because we were in a new conference hall this year, we were able to accommodate more people in the crop area, and so I want to say we had almost 250 people-ish. So before, we used to be maxed at 100 and something at the old part. So this year, yeah, there was room, more space. Loved it. So good job. But that's all I have for you about our mega make and take. So if you have any questions, leave them in the description box below. Yeah, so more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.